Hey, John Lee, welcome back to all my subscribers. And if you're new to this channel, be sure and hit that like and subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. It just helps the YouTube algorithms push videos like these out to other viewers like yourself. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you my 12 by 20 foot garden that I'm putting in at my place. I had to get the tiller out. It was a beautiful day. It was sunny. It's that time of year. And you guys got your green thumbs ready and you want to get this party started. So without any further ado, let's jump right in. I'm gonna rake up the rest of the grass. Out here, you can see all this loose stuff. And we'll go from there. Got some watermelon, some asparagus, some carrots, some peppermint, some cilantro, some parsley, some basil. So those will be what we start with. Sweet. First 3 rows done. So that's my quarantine gardening intro, whatever you want to call it. My 12 by 20 garden. I hope you guys enjoy and get to watch and experience this journey together. And hopefully if you got any cool tips or tricks or whatever, just drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. I'm John Lee. I'm on to the next one. We'll see you next time.